Hey, awesome ones. So I bought this beautiful pink jacket and I thought to myself, oh, it's going to be perfect for going to business meetings and all that sort of thing. And then I thought, how very unawesome of me. I can use this jacket for many other looks, and why don't I share them with you? So stick to this video. This sounds right. And I'm going to show you 5 different ways I can wear my new jacket, and it doesn't matter whether you have a blue jacket, a purple jacket, a black jacket, or even a leather jacket. This video is going to be for you. Let's mix them and match them and find some great ways to wear your jacket or blazer. Let's go. So my number 1 outfit, and this is what I bought for that business kind of look, and I call it pretty in pink, and I've got a white cami underneath, of course, the pink jacket. I have some stretchy capri pants, a little bit shorter, and I'll try to balance here a little bit. I've got some pretty in pink shoes to go with it, and there you go. Also, as I mentioned before, pretty in pink. So I've got a statement necklace. I also have some pretty rose gold earrings, and I actually did a video of being pretty in pink. It's all the rage for spring and summer. I'll put that up there somewhere for you, and but I got 4 more. Why just 1? Let's do 4 more. So for my second match with the jacket, I'm wearing a dress. Why not? And it's a floral dress at that. I have my kitten shoes on, or kitten-heeled pumps on, and also this dress is, florals are really big this season, so make sure that the dress kind of has some color to go with the jacket. So if you're wearing blue, it might have a touch of blue or whatever along those lines. This is a great outfit to wear for business, yes. Also for maybe going to a dinner date with my husband, or maybe out with friends, because you know the spring and summer, you never know what the weather's going to be like. So I can always just take my jacket off. I've got a little cap sleeve here, and put my jacket over a chair, and I'm ready to go. So for my third look, I thought I'd sort of scale it back a little bit and be a little bit casual here. So I rolled up the sleeves a little bit, and I also matched with some turquoise bangles and a pretty little turquoise necklace. And I just think turquoise and pink, they go together so nicely, don't you think? And what I've done here is I have a pink cami underneath, and what I'm going for is, like I said, something that I could wear maybe to go out with my girlfriends, or to a festival or something like that. I've got my stretchy boyfriend jeans, which I absolutely love, and some jeweled, I love these sandals. They've got a little bit of arch support there as well, which we need. And the other thing that I've got going on are my cool sunglasses. So hey baby, I'm ready to have some fun. So my 4th match for this jacket has to be the ultimate wardrobe extender, the scarf. Now I really looked for a nice scarf that would go with this. Good for spring, summer, maybe even take me into fall a little bit. And all I did with this scarf is I just folded it in a triangle. I just kind of looped it in the front a little bit, but I think it's very pretty. And you know what? I did a video on 20 different ways to wear scarves, so I'm definitely going to put that up there somewhere, because it is by far the ultimate wardrobe extender. So let's take a look at the rest of this outfit here. I just put on a pair of beige pants, and I kind of matched it with a really pretty little, not a very high heel, but a sling back kind of beige shoe there. And I could have definitely sort of matched this with whatever color, maybe even a blue skirt or something along those lines. I could have worn a pair of capris, whatever. And another thing I like about a scarf is that if it starts raining, You can cover your head, or if it gets a little chilly, it's a good bundle upper. So my fifth look for this jacket has to be something classic. And I thought what I would do is I just paired it with a camisole and a pencil skirt. But by all means, what you could do is you could put a little cocktail dress underneath as well. And I've got a little bit of a heel here. You know, you can wear maybe a little higher with this kind of look, but again, I'm kind of going more for the kitten heel. Now, this is a great look to go from, let's say, business to evening wear. So if Bill said, hey, you know what, let's go out for cocktails tonight or something like that, I'm ready, baby. I've got my little cocktail look underneath, and the jacket can go, and I'm ready to have, I don't know, a Manhattan Bill, maybe something like that. But no, this is so versatile, and the jacket just kind of works with it all. So the other thing that I have here is a statement necklace. And Bill, if you want to get a little bit closer to here, we can sort of show that off. And I thought that that's a nice look, not only for the jacket, but also for, you know, the cocktail type of idea that's going on afterwards as well. So, oh, and by the way, if you're interested in some of these items, we'll try to find something similar. I know we can't find the exact match, but we'll try to find something similar to the jacket and necklaces, and maybe even the scarf if we get lucky. So, and if you do go back to our blog, it'll be in the first comment, the link. We do make a little bit of commission, so thank you so much for that. Every little bit helps us to keep going with these videos, so we appreciate that. But the classic look, So there you have it. 5 other ways to wear a jacket or a blazer, and somebody else who wears a jacket in the wintertime. It's too warm for him to be wearing it today, but Hurricane, you also have a raincoat, don't you? Yes, we take good care of you. He's also got a raincoat. And you know, I was thinking about this video that I just made, and I was thinking, wow, there's some good ideas there for if you're traveling. I also did a wardrobe, sorting your wardrobe kind of video, and I'm going to put it up there somewhere because you don't need an awful lot of items in your wardrobe or when you're traveling if you're mixing and matching like this. So I just have to tell you too, Hurricane and I and Bill behind the camera, say hi, Bill.
Hi, Bill.
We're so excited for all the subscribers that have been subscribing, and thank you so much for that. If you do want to subscribe, there's a button down there to come on down and join us in our community. We'd love to have you here. So we put out the lifestyle videos every Tuesday afternoon and the beauty and fashion every Friday afternoon. So really, really love to have you here. So in the meantime, keep it awesome, keep mixing and matching, and have a great one, folks. Everyone's invited to subscribe and join us on our videos.